basically a volunteer all throughout my life. I started to be a volunteer with NAMFRAL, PPCRV, and then a lot of cost-oriented groups. So for me, during the start of the pandemic, we in the CSO or non-government organizations, we are already trying to watch how the government responds. Luckily, sometime in April 2020, there was a National IATF memo to create the sub-task force on contact tracing, wherein it requires two CSO representatives. So with that one, I was one. I was part of the sub-task force. And from then, right away, the heart of what we call here, working from the non-government organization, I right away do the assessment of how our province is doing on contact tracing level. There were some gaps, there's a gap that needs to be done, and which is the training, face-to-face training of the contact tracers of the 25, what we call here, LGUs. Luckily, at the same time, I got already a financial assistance aid from the U.S. State Department on Coursera courses. So that's why I equipped myself with Johns Hopkins contact tracing. And then from July down to October, a swift, what we call here, 25 LGUs that I need to reach out for the training. I train, I troubleshoot, I continue to develop protocols, and when in fact, I'm now also making what we call the Provincial Recovery Task Force whatever program for that purpose. So yeah, I really love to share the courage that we Filipinos are, well, resilient, but yes, through volunteerism, we can make a difference.